In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can post a TikTok video. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To get started, obviously open up that TikTok app, and what you're going to want to do is actually tap on the little plus icon down in the bottom center of your screen. Once you do this, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. In the bottom, you're going to want to make sure you're on post instead of something like create or live. Make sure you're on this post option right here. And now you can adjust the video length options here. If you wanted to record right now, all you'd have to do is go to like the 15-second option and then tap on that red button and it would begin recording. And then tap on that red button to stop it. If you need to delete, go ahead and hit that little back arrow just like that, and you can restart. But if you either upload a video that you already have, simply go ahead and tap on the little like album option right here and find whatever video you'd like to go ahead and upload. For example, this one. Select it and then hit next, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, where you'd be able to edit your video, add text, and do so much more, including adding stickers. And from here, hit next one more time, and you'll have the option to add a description, hashtags, mentions. You can even choose a location and adjust your privacy settings to control who can actually view the video. Whenever you're ready though, tap post down in the bottom right and your TikTok is going to upload and be published. But that is how you can post a video here on TikTok. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.